Hello guys, join me as I teach you how I made this creamy salad dressing which I used for my simple coleslaw. Let's start right away. So I start by adding some mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise of your choice. Then I went in with some salad cream. I added some liquid milk, some condensed milk, and I added a little lemon juice. Then I go ahead to mix all the ingredients together until a creamy paste is formed. So you can adjust the recipe as you mix until you get what you want. You can adjust the texture. If you want it very light, you can add more liquid milk. If you want it very sweet, you can add more condensed milk. But I like mine like this. You can use this as your bread spread. You can add it to your shawarma. But I use mine to pair with my coleslaw. I will be sharing the recipe of my coleslaw in the next video. Do well to come back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.